Userback is an extremely helpful tool used to give visual feedback during the process of designing and building websites. When you receive a web project from us at White Label Agency, we install Userback as a means for us to receive notes, fixes, and alterations required before the final product is completely ready for delivery to your client. In this video, I'll show you some of the ways you can utilize Userback to communicate feedback as clearly and efficiently as possible. To get started, just click on the little rectangular feedback widget at the edge of your page to begin marking and explaining the details you'd like to address. A box that gives you feedback options should pop up. To open the toolbar for screenshots, marking, and text, click here. To make an annotated screenshot, just expand the rectangle to contain the detail you'd like to comment on. Then click again on or near it to leave text. There are options in the toolbar for drawing or circling, underlining, or adding arrows to point to things. Pin text to describe what it is you want there. You can even determine the color of your markings. Here is a tool to black out information you don't want to have displayed during the process. You can also add files to clarify what you'd prefer as you are submitting the feedback. To take a screen recording video accompanied with some verbal explanation, click on the little camera tab. At this point, you might get asked for access permission to allow your screen and voice to be recorded by Userback. Go ahead and confirm it. Then, a control bar will pop up for you to do the recording. You can point to things with your cursor or select to draw on the page for visual direction while recording a voice-audio description of what you want. When giving feedback via text, voice, screen capture, or files, try to be specific about what you would like things to be changed to. It is best to offer exact examples of wording or color or font, or just your best description of how you believe your ideal solution to something should look. When you are done, you will be prompted to provide some text or upload a file before you submit it by pressing Send Feedback. Multiple team members and/or clients can be added to your Userback group, and different levels of permissions can be designated for them to interact with the process. When you submit feedback, the information goes into a task management system that alerts the developers and designers on the other end, and provides them with both your notes plus additional information about how you are viewing the website, which can be key to fixing or troubleshooting any issues directly related to whatever is needing addressed. Hopefully this is helpful and you now feel ready to give us some feedback using Userback. Check out our other videos for more tips, or just click to subscribe to our channel.